How to make Avalakki, a South Indian flattened rice dish. Ingredients used: chana dal, mustard seeds, turmeric powder, ground nuts or peanuts, urad dal, onion, green chilies, and tomato. Take 200 grams of poha, or flattened rice. Wash twice and soak depending on thickness. For thick poha, soak for 5 minutes and drain it. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan and heat it. Add 1.5 tablespoons of chana dal, and 2 tablespoons of urad dal. After 1 minute, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1/3 cup of ground nuts. Saute for a couple of minutes. Then add a handful of curry leaves and cook for 30 seconds. Add 1 cup of chopped onions, saute, then cover and cook for 1 minute. Add 6 to 8 green chilies and saute well, then cover. Add 1 cup of chopped tomato to the pan and saute well. Add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, mix and cover. Once the tomatoes are soft, you can optionally add cashews and/or raisins. Cover and cook until the oil separates. Take your soaked poha and add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and salt to taste and mix well. Add the poha to your pan and mix. Your avalakki is now ready to eat. Enjoy! If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes. See you next time!